During the period of 18 January 1957 through 11 March 1957, at Holloman Air Development Center, Convair flight test personnel conducted aerial firings from the F-102A number 1793 on 2.75-inch rockets to investigate their separation from the aircraft and to demonstrate performance of the airplane as a rocket launching platform to design limits of the Dash 10 series airplanes. 24 2.75-inch rockets are carried by the F-102A in 12 tubes, 3 tubes in each of 4 missile bay doors, and 2 rockets in tandem in each tube. To evaluate the tactical rocket firing performance of the F-102A, test procedures were devised to demonstrate the airplane's ability to fire 24 rocket salvos over the entire operational speed and altitude range of the aircraft, to show there is no interference or collision between rockets at the various speeds and altitude parameters, to establish that the 24 rocket salvo firings do not appreciably affect engine operation or flight characteristics, and to fire a minimum of 6 successive 24 rocket salvos without any major maintenance requirements. The firing of the 24 rocket salvos was conducted throughout the speed and altitude range with various combinations of live and inert head rocket loadings. Different camera angles of the same firing indicate rocket separation and stability of the platform. No unsatisfactory flight characteristics or adverse engine responses were noted as a result of the rocket firing. Flash head rockets were fired on some flights, bursting at approximately 1,500 feet, the tactical range of the rocket. The flash heads provided engineering data on rocket ballistics characteristics. The complete stability of the aircraft during firing was indicated as each test progressed. Salvos of 24 rockets each were successfully fired at altitudes ranging from 5,700 feet to 53,500 feet, at speeds of Mach 0.27 to Mach 1.44. The 20 test flights and firings conducted on the 2.75 rockets showed that rocket separation from the aircraft was satisfactory for all flight conditions tested. These tests demonstrated the airplane's ability to successfully fire the 2.75 rockets over the complete speed and altitude range of the F-102.